I think in particular education around development, application development programming, computer science, those programs, as you said, dropping those requirements really it sets students in the wrong cultural mindset, right? Because they're coming in and they're being told build as fast and efficient as possible, and don't really think about security. Security is an afterthought, or security is something you solve for if it something takes off and there's money involved, and customers start asking questions. It's never, hey, let's build secure code by design and eliminate 80-90% of the low hanging fruit that are out there that can be easily eliminated by using either good practices around things like authentication or tokenization or all these different kind of programming artifacts that come up as a result of building software that are necessary for any number of functions in software, but that a lot of folks don't really think about because, again, universities are just thinking, we want to challenge students, but we want students to pass, and we want students to be focused on the things that are going to make a difference. And when they're being told by the professional community that speed, effectiveness, efficiency over everything, it really just sets the table in a way that doesn't create a good space for a conversation about security by design. And I think I agree with you that regulation should always be mindfully thought of before it's pushed. I'm not like a big, huge, massive regulation person myself either, but in general, if we don't do something to create a public dialogue between technology companies, of which any type of product is a technology company, right? Any type of software or application. If we fail to do that, then it's going to create more of the same kind of disastrous results I think that we've seen, especially in the last 5 years. And with breaches of software vendors that are otherwise very large and well respected. I don't want to name any names, but um, there have been a significant number of breaches with very large brands, where source code was leaked, where now the stability and safety of that product or those products for all of their users are now in question, and that's a really dangerous place to be in a world where we have a majority of businesses, especially small businesses, and even large ones, relying on large cloud technologies. You know, uh, these watering holes that really are the grounds for what insurers consider some of the scariest risks and attacks, right?